Hello, welcome. Today, I want us to solve out this math problem. Do you know that most of us usually make the mistake that involve an order of operation of mixed numbers or numbers that are whole numbers? Now, if you really need or know how to work out this maths problem, come with me. We have 12 plus 30 divided by 6 subtract from 4. I want us to work it out within the shortest time possible. In order to work out this maths problem, don't make a mistake of saying you have 12 plus 30, then you say you have 42. No. If in any case you do that, you shall end up with the wrong answer. So for us to work out this one, we want to introduce what is called the BODMAS. So when you introduce the BODMAS here, we are able to work out within the shortest time possible. Let's kickstart. So here we shall begin with the first sign here. That is division. D stands for division. So we're going to work out 30 divided by 6 first. So here we shall say that our first step shall be equals to 12, then add 2. Now we shall have 30 divided by 6, which is 5. Then from there we subtract from 4. So after we've worked out that step, then we shall now say that this one is equals to, now we shall have 12 plus 5. And once we have 12 plus 5, subtract from 4. We are going to work out the addition first. And 12 plus 5 is 17. Subtract from 4. So once we have 17 subtract from 4, we are going to say that our final answer here shall be 13. And here the answer is 13. So by following the correct order of operation, you end up with the correct answer. Let's now move to the next one. Our next one is 45 divided by 3 squared multiplied by 1. By taking the BODMAS states that you're going to work out the bracket first. Now, here we're going to say that solution, so our solution, we are having 45 divided by 3 squared multiplied by 1. So, here we have to work out the number inside the bracket first. So this one is equals to 45. There we are having our 45 divided by 3 squared is 9 multiplied by 1. So once we reach that far, we are going to take 45 divided by 9 first. And 45 divided by 9, the answer is 5. So there we shall have 5 multiplied by 1. Don't make a mistake of multiplying 9 times 1 first. Use the division sign, that is by D, then from there move to the multiplication. That's why we have moved up to this particular point here. 45 divided by 9, which is 5, multiplied by 1. And 5 multiplied by 1, our final answer is 5. So the answer is 5. If you really like this video, please remember to subscribe. Thank you. See you in our next video.